Hey everyone! Welcome to this week's art video. This is the fourth mermaid that I've done for MerMay this year. As I've mentioned before, I'm not going to draw a mermaid every single day this month, just as I feel like it. I didn't want to get too stressed out about it. These are supposed to be fun little challenges after all. I've pretty much just been sort of coming up with a small idea for the day and then working off that. But for this one, I had 3 specific things that I wanted to do. 1, I wanted to give her pelvic fins, like most fish have. 2, I wanted to give her weird, webby fingers, which I imagine would make swimming easier. And 3, I wanted her to have a pufferfish pet buddy thing. I love those guys. I think they're so freaking cute. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did. I initially intended to finish this one in one day. I sketched it in the morning, and then in the evening I worked on the line art and coloring it on stream, twitch.tv/chezlin, but sadly I couldn't finish it today. I got a late start on stream because of a dentist appointment I had smack dab in the middle of the day, so it set my progress back on this piece a little bit. So that just means that this one is going to be a multi-stream piece. So if you're interested in hanging out while I finish this one up, come hang out. Either Thursday or Friday. I'm not sure which day yet, when I'm able to get my Thursday video out. To keep posted on the days and time that I stream, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, or on Twitch, and I post when I go live, and Twitch will notify you. All of the info for those will be down below. So yeah, I guess now I'm just gonna let the music play until this thing is done.
Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Time races on, but I guess that we're not. A special bond, we came closer than we forgot. Yeah, we forgot. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
So here it is so far. I can't wait to get back to working on this one. Make sure to come hang out during my stream later this week to see how I finish it. As always, thanks for checking out my art video, and I'll see you later this week.